I've recently been running a social experiment across the entire internet where I talk about various subcultures and then test how much they're able to respond to it. Because of how algorithms recommend different content to different audiences, I was able to make a video about My Little Pony that was picked up by the Brony fandom, about a CS dialect that was picked up by online tech communities, and about incels that was unfortunately picked up by real incels. Most recently, however, I made this video about a Twitter community called Teapot. This was a deliberate cooperation with the Open Memetics Institute to see how that group would respond to my cultural signal. But while researching that video, I separately discovered that there was an online fandom for a show called The Power of Two. And indeed, when I made my video about the Twitter group, I ended up summoning that separate fandom, which flooded my comment section with references to the show. Meanwhile, my video still went viral in the other Teapot, which had no means for responding to my message in the same way. This is what the Open Memetics Institute calls an epistemic firewall, a technological or cultural barrier that allows ideas to travel in one direction but not the other. Because Teapot is definitionally usually on Twitter, they were vulnerable to my memetic attack but had no mechanism for responding, while the Power of Two fandom did in fact have a back-channeling capability. And this idea that there's an asymmetry in how memes spread online is so important because it shows how some communities, like let's say incels, are able to disproportionately impact our culture while remaining relatively isolated in their cult-like hierarchy.